Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and mated up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, push button 4x4, automatic headlights, fog lights there as well, heads-up display controls, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, paddle shifters on the reverse side, super large 13.4-inch touchscreen using the Google operating system. You do have Google Maps as well as Google Play Store, Google Assistant, Android Auto, and Apple Carplay both available. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated front seating. Super large engine stop start button. You do have your shifter knob in the center console as well. You do have your integrated chili braking system. We have the all black interior with the Kalahari trim as well. Dual glove boxes, Bose audio throughout, AT4 branding on the doors. We have our leather heated and ventilated seating, again with the AT4 branding in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package. Beautiful 20-inch alloy wheels with the machined face, and we have the Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires. Coming down the side, we have color matched door handles with the AT4 badging on the door and 6.2-liter V8 plaque on the front fender. The Sierra AT4 comes with the factory 2-inch lift up front, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. The truck does have LED daytime mounting lamps as well, fog lights, AT4 branded grille with parking sensors and a camera system, as well as signature red recovery hooks. Making our way back down the side, this is a crew cab. So we have the rear tinted privacy windows, blacked out window trim, remote start equipped. At the back of the Sierra, we have dual chrome exhaust tips with a trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and the MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior of the Sierra AT4, we have leather 60/40 split. Both end seats here are car seat ready as well as they are heated. We have in-seat storage feature. We do have a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof. In the back of our center console, heated seat controls as well as USB ports. Rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts have been installed as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.